Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Iconic Kate. Today's video is going to be about my current brow routine and how I get my brows from point A to point B. I like to start out brushing my brows in an upward direction just to get all of the brow hairs going in the same direction. And this brow pencil that I'm using is from Revolution Pro in the color dark brown. I like it because it has a really fine tip, and that's really good for helping me to define the outer edges of my brows. And as you can see, I started towards the front of my brow and I'm just working my way back towards the tail of it. Now that I've gotten the bottom of my brow defined, I go in with that same pencil and fill in where I see any negative space in my brow, and I work it towards the top of the brow. I don't necessarily like to draw a complete straight line over the top because I like for it to stay as natural looking as possible. And then I use the spoolie just to kind of blend out any harshness that I may have gotten with the pencil. And I like to work my way towards the front of my brow, filling it in. Next, I'm going to clean up the edges of my brows using some concealer. And this brush I'm using is a paintbrush that I got from Michael's. I really like it because it has a nice flat surface, and that really helps with getting that concealer directly under my brow and just keeps it nice and smooth looking, which helps to create that nice perfect edge under there. And now I'm just cleaning up the top part of my brow. I don't always do this step, but for the sake of the video, I just wanted to show you guys how I would do it if I were doing my whole face and everything. And this just adds a little more definition to the brow. And finally, I'm going to finish my brows off with some brow gel. And there you have it.